Guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I am going to teach you how you can earn $24 an hour working from home. So there are some awesome ways to make money online, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this. If you like this video, you find it helpful in any way, please hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and also hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. But if you really want to make the big bucks, you're going to want to know my number one recommendation, which is the first link in the description below. So jumping right into this, we are going to be on a few voice transcription sites. Voice transcribing is a really big thing nowadays. Just because Google only recognizes text. So if you're making videos or you're doing like podcasts, things of this nature, Google's not going to be able to read it unless you transfer it over into text, which is where these sites come in handy. What you're going to do is you're going to be listening to audio and then typing it out and transcribing it for folks that need it written down for Google to recognize it. So right now I am sitting on a site called Rev.com. It's a freelancing site where you're going to be a freelancer. You're going to be looking for jobs and you're going to be transcribing their audio for them. The awesome thing about this is you're going to be getting an hourly wage because they pay by minute. So you're going to be getting paid per hour ideally. If you're looking to make like your first couple bucks online, I highly recommend checking out a couple of these sites that I'm going to talk to you about today. There's no experience necessary, but you are going to need a computer or something with a keyboard. I don't suggest that you try and do this on your phone or your iPad because the way to make money is to be able to push out as much content as possible. And if you don't have a keyboard for typing as quickly as you can, I don't think you're going to be able to make the kind of money that you really are going to want to make using this form of making money online. So these ways of making money online are also available worldwide, and you aren't going to be getting paid in like credits or tokens or anything like that. You're going to get paid cash upfront every single time. So this is going to make it easy for you to create a flexible work schedule. You get to choose from hundreds of jobs and you get paid weekly. I'm not very good at budgeting my money bi-weekly, so I really like this option from Rev.com. So what you're going to do to just get this sign up process started is you're going to do your first name, your last name, your email. You're going to choose your position, which you're going to be a freelancer, a transcriber, and it's really easy. It also says that it's going to take less than an hour to get approved. So going down through this, you are going to be a transcriptionist. You're going to listen to audio videos. You're going to accurately type what's being said. So that means spelling and punctuation is key into getting paid the most that you can get paid. It says you can get paid from a range of 36 cents to 65 cents. I'm assuming 36 cents is going to be someone who has, flaws in their typing, where 65 cents is going to be completely accurate, all punctuation and grammar the way that it needs to look, and be aesthetically pleasing. I also wanted to give you guys a heads up that if you speak a foreign language, on these sites I'm about to show you, you are going to be able to rake in the big bucks. So how do you start making money on these sites? You're going to want to take a quiz and demonstrate your English. If English is not your first language, I don't know if this is going to be the right way for you to make money. If you know a foreign language and you're good with your English, as you can see, a subtitler is going to get between $1.50 and $3 per minute. So once you have taken your quiz, you're going to submit the transcription and your sample so they can be reviewed by the customer service folks. And if you meet the requirements, then you'll be able to register to make money within 48 hours on Rev.com. So what I love about this site is I know it's real, it's 100%, and people are actually making money on it. As you can see, Tiffany said she's thoroughly pleased with working with this company. She's a stay-at-home mom like myself, and she's been looking for a legitimate part-time job from home for extra money to occupy your brain and stay fresh in the workplace. So if you're looking for something to like validate you moms out there, and just being just a mom, I suggest you check this out. If you're too scared to leave your babies with somebody else, you can still work from home and make money. So this has been featured in the Penny Hoarder, Forbes, Huntington Post, Business Insider. So it's real. It's an easy way to make money. One thing that I do suggest you do, if you haven't done so already, is create a PayPal account and make sure that you get it linked up to your bank account, because it has to be done that way. So that's it, guys. That is Rev.com. Now, these sites aren't always going to pick you. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a few different sites and keep trying to get jobs, because the more jobs you apply for, the more money you're going to be making in the long run. So I have pulled up another transcription site. This site is called Babbel.com. Um, it's also another freelancing site. You want to be good at something, you specialize in it. Transcription, translation, and master scripts. It's a content analysis. So you're going to want to try and do all three of these. It asks you, how much is your time worth? You know, if you're sitting there and you're not making money and you like listening to things and you're good at typing, this is the way you're going to want to make money online. All right, guys. We are going to scroll down. I'm going to show you just how easy this is. You are going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page and you're going to apply for work. So you are going to apply for these jobs. I was looking for new transcriptionists, also editors and translators to add to their team, but they're very selective. So if English is your first language, you're going to be one of the best candidates to be able to get a job on here. So scrolling down, you're just going to apply for translation. Once you apply, it's going to be very easy. I'm going to hit apply for a translation really quick just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like and what you're going to see. So the application is here. You're going to just read all this through. You're going to look through it. Information for proofreaders. So they provide you with everything they're going to need. Your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address. But this is a legit site, so I wouldn't be worried about giving them your address or your phone number. You're going to have to click the role that you're applying for. Language is important if you choose English. So you're going to take a quick test. So you're going to want to fill out all of these tests. And that's pretty much it, guys. Then you hit submit, and you're going to be able to do this. It's really easy. It's quick. It's easy. So the one thing that I wanted to tell you about BabbelType is some days you're going to get a lot of work and some days you're not going to get any work. So that's why I'm giving you all of these options here in this video. So that way you can always keep yourself busy. You're always going to have jobs coming in and you're going to be able to be bringing in money online. So the other site that I wanted to talk to you about today is Scribie. So we're going to hop right over to Scribie.com. And this is the page you're going to get as soon as you go. We're on the home page right now. It's an audio transcription perfected. So the lowest rates are going to be 10 cents per minute. I'm assuming if you have a lot of grammatical errors, spelling errors, things of that nature, you're missing words that you should have been typing that you didn't exactly hear, you're only going to be making about 10 cents per minute. Now, if you have really perfected this, you are going to make about 80 cents per minute, which is almost $1 an hour. So you're going to be making close to, not exactly, close to $60 an hour. I'm not sure anywhere else that you're going to be able to make that kind of money online by just listening to audio, listening to podcasts, videos, things that people need to have transcribed. So ideally, the way you're going to do that is you are going to sign up for the site. You're going to want to link your PayPal to the account, and you're going to upload and import files, and they're going to pay by audio time. So the more that you're able to put the work in and crunch out different transcripts, the more money you're going to make. So the faster typing you are, the better at listening you are, the more money you're going to make. And then you're going to want to check and download your transcription. So it's really easy. You just click here, upload your files. It's confidential. It's 99% accurate. They have online editors. It's a really awesome site. So you're going to do your transcription, review, proofreading, and then check the quality. So you are going to do 10 cents per minute or a maximum or even $1, which, like I said, guys, you can make up to $60 an hour on this site. So it's really awesome. It's a great site. It actually has testimonials from people, from their customers, so you're going to be able to do really well on this site. Um, you are going to submit your application, you're going to take your test online and earn per hour. Um, it's really easy, guys. It's awesome. This is a great way to make money. Now, since you guys have lasted throughout my entire video, I am going to give you a little hack on how to complete as many transcriptions as quickly as possible. Now, the viewers that clicked out of this video aren't going to be able to know this hack, so I'm really happy that you guys stuck around to listen to my entire video. So if you have a Google account, and if you don't have one yet, sign up for Google. It's free, it's easy, it's a quick sign up. You will have access to something called Google Docs. And Google Docs is something that you could speak into a microphone, and it's going to write the text out for you, which is going to help you push out as much content as possible, which means you're going to be making more money than the average folks who are just typing it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Docs. You are going to hit tools, and then you are going to go into voice typing. And what this does is it puts a little microphone in the corner of your screen. When you're ready, you're going to click to speak. And once you are speaking, it is going to write out everything that you say. It's super easy, it's quick. I suggest that you practice a little bit with it because sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. But once you've mastered this, you are going to be able to push out tons and tons of content, and we all know content is king. So that's it, guys. It's a quick, easy way of making money online from home. You're going to have flexible work hours. You can make your own schedule, and there's no experience necessary. Anybody can do this, whether you're a first timer in transcribing or you've done this for years and years and years. You are going to be able to excel in this, and the more you do it, the better you're going to get. Guys, if you liked my video, please hit the like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate all the subscribers that we do have. We'd love to see more. And also hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. If you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.